Nongthymmai Nepalee Higher Secondary School is conducting online and offline tests for Class 10 and Class 12 science students as preparation for the Meghalaya Board of School Education MBOSE. The tests are being conducted under strict adherence of protocol issued by the government. Speaking to the media, the headmaster of the school, S. Gurung, said the tests are being conducted after due consultation and consent of parents. He also said that the protocol issued by the government, including social distancing and sanitization, are being strictly followed. These tests are not compulsory. They are the kind of practice in order to acquaint the students how to face the MBOSE examination.
Of writing, we are maintaining all social distancing, all type of protocols. Now only I think when you came, it was nobody was there downstairs, because otherwise we have those all records. We maintain everything, who has come, who have not come, we maintain. And just this test is actually for the students to make a habit of how to write exams. In case they are not allowed from home or by the community or anywhere, then they are allowed to appear as online exam also. So that is the basic idea of conducting this test, and we are making sure that whoever comes for exam, we are maintaining that social distance even while sitting. That is it. It is, you can say that one step towards preparing them to appear for the board exams. Okay. Regarding that, nothing has come so far, but our Nongthymmai Nepali Higher Secondary School is a regular school, so selection is conducted according to the convenience of the school. There is no separate guidelines for that. We conduct before the submission of the final examination. But this year I don't know how we to conduct it. We have been giving them assignments. Lots of assignments and all have been they are submitting. And now a small test, online test has been conducted. But we are not sure how it will go. But it's just an effort from our side. That one small step for Class 10 and Class 12 science. The first step, we conduct a test, and the parents are ready to send. As we have seen that the attendance has been very good. They came for the test. It was not made mandatory. It was given an opportunity to apply as online also. So let's hope things work out.